8 earthquakes rattle North Texas Tuesday. The number of tremors recorded during an earthquake swarm in Irving climbed to 8 Tuesday, according to the United States Geological Survey. 3 additional quakes were reported Wednesday morning and a fourth that afternoon. Fourth quake recorded swarm grows to 12. The U.S. said the 2 strongest of Tuesday's quakes, a 3.5 and a 3.6 each, ranked as MMI V on the Modified Mercalli Intensity Scale, which indicates they had the strength to be felt by nearly everyone, wake those sleeping, break windows and dishes, and to overturn unstable objects. No injuries or significant damage have been reported in connection with the earthquakes, and police have requested people stop calling 911 to report only shacking. Atmos Energy said Wednesday the earthquakes have not caused any gas leaks in the area. The recent earthquake swarm, where a number of quakes are concentrated in a single area over a few days, is centered in an area of Irving where more than 20 quakes have been recorded since October 2014, but where only one earthquake was ever recorded before 2008, according to a scientist at Dallas Southern Methodist. Irving quake swarm Jan. 6-7, Tuesday. 1. 7:37 m. Jan. 6, 2.3 meg. 2. 3:10 p.m. Jan. 6, 3.5 meg. 3. 6:52 p.m. Jan. 6, 3.6 meg. 4. 8:11 p.m. Jan. 6, 2.9 meg. 5. 8:12 p.m. Jan. 6, 2.7 meg. 6. 9:54 p.m. Jan. 6, 1.7 meg. 7. 10:05 p.m. Jan. 6, 2.4 meg. 8. 11:02 p.m. Jan. 6, 1.6 meg. Wednesday. 1. 12:59 m. Jan. 7, 3.1 meg. 2. 8:34 m. Jan. 7, 2.6 meg. 3. 9:57 m. Jan. 7, 2.7 meg. 4. 1:24 p.m. Jan. 7, 2.3 meg.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmean.webs.com.